All right, let's talk about the iPhone Fold, Apple's worst kept secret and probably one of the most hyped phones we haven't even seen yet. So yes, Apple is finally working on a foldable iPhone, and if the leaks are accurate, this could be one of the biggest design shifts since the original iPhone. But as always with Apple, it's not about being first, it's about doing it their way. Right now, all signs point to a 2026 launch, most likely alongside the iPhone 18 lineup. Apple has reportedly been testing multiple prototypes for years, and recent dummy units and supply chain leaks suggest they're finally locking things in. This isn't a clamshell like the Galaxy Z Flip. It's a book-style fold, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold series, opening up into a mini tablet. Let's talk displays, because this is where Apple seems to be obsessing. The inner screen is rumored to be around 7.7 to 7.8 inches, while the outer display could land around 5.4 inches, roughly iPhone mini-sized. The big headline here is the crease. Multiple leaks suggest Apple is aiming for a nearly invisible crease, using a new hinge and display layer that Samsung and others haven't fully cracked yet. If Apple pulls that off, that alone could justify the wait. Design-wise, leaks suggest the iPhone Fold will be extremely thin when unfolded, possibly under 5mm. Folded, it's expected to be slimmer than most current foldables. Apple is reportedly using a titanium frame again, and durability is a huge focus, which explains why they've been so slow compared to Android brands. Now, here's an interesting one. Face ID may be gone. Several reports say Apple could bring back Touch ID in the power button, similar to the iPad Air. It makes sense. Foldables don't leave much room for Face ID hardware, and Apple already trusts Touch ID enough to use it on premium devices. On the performance side, expect nothing less than flagship hardware. The iPhone Fold is rumored to use a future A-series Pro chip, likely paired with 12GB of RAM and Apple's own next-gen modem. This thing is expected to multitask like an iPad, with Fold-specific versions of iOS that support split-screen apps, floating windows, and better continuity between folded and unfolded modes. Cameras are still a bit of a question mark. Current leaks suggest a dual camera setup, possibly using 48-megapixel sensors instead of a triple camera system. Apple may be prioritizing thickness and battery over adding a telephoto lens, which could be controversial at this price point. And yes, the price. Brace yourself. Most leaks point to a starting price well above $2,000, potentially going as high as $2,500 depending on storage. This won't be a mass-market iPhone. It's more like Apple's ultimate tech flex, similar to how the Vision Pro launched. So what's the big takeaway? The iPhone Fold isn't trying to beat Samsung at their own game. Apple is waiting until foldables feel finished. If the crease really is minimal, the software is polished, and durability is solid, this could be the foldable that finally convinces regular iPhone users to make the jump. Now the big question, is it worth waiting 2 more years for Apple's first foldable, or should you jump into foldables right now? Let me know what you think.